to come out in the car.
Good morning everyone. We are team Trojans. We are here to present about our proposed project. It is named as Location Alarm System. What is this? This is an Android application which is developed for mobile devices. We have created this as a mobile application because we want to. We thought that the mobile devices are on our hand in always. If we develop this as a web application which that will be not satisfying the system requirements, that means the system is requiring GPS location tracker. Some devices who can access the web application do not have the technology. When we are concerned software design, this is a Windows we have created for our software. If we see the project description, we have created a small video for that. There is one person who have to buy something. As an example, if you want to take some batteries, you have to create a reminder to the location net. Then he can do his daily routine. When he is putting near to the location net, there is the alarming that device. Why do we want this? The human nature is always forgetting things. As usual, we are also getting forgetting. And reminding small things is difficult because of the busy lifestyle. And road traffics are the main problem. When we are traveling from one location to another, there will be main traffics available in there. And small things we have to from start to end, there will be some forgettings. And I think you are also using time-based reminders in these days, but we are introducing a location-based reminder application in here. This software is able to use in offline mode. Without the internet connection, you can also use this and able to set reminders to any location with the task. That is the special thing. Not only the location, with the task you can do that. As an example, if you want to buy some batteries, you can set the task as and buy batteries and the location as the food city or anything. These are technologies we have used and the telecommunication APIs we are used on here. This is our business plan. According to our point of view, there are two types of accounts, premium accounts and normal accounts. We have planned to premium accounts as the get a payment from the customer for a time of period and get more features than the normal account. Premium accounts allow unlimited favorite locations and unlimited reminders to the user, but the normal accounts only giving 3 limited favorite locations and 3 locations and 3 reminders only. Adjustable reminder distance from 20 meters to 2 kilometers is allowed only for the premium accounts, but the normal accounts only allowing only 100 meters and allow shops and other locations to show their ads on the search window in this application. Our roadmap is to create the reminders from our neighbors as our to our account and develop the iOS develop the software for the iOS devices and hope to create an IoT device which can be placed on vehicles which are reminding us to the location. This is our team members. Thank you for all the